Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chang. Today is another sunny day because April is the hottest month during the year in Vietnam. So I feel like making something refreshing for dessert. First of all, I have here 300 grams of sugar. To get the best texture for the jelly I'm making, I'm using two kinds of powder. The first one is jelly powder, which is originally made from the collagen found inside animal skin or bones. And the second powder is the agar, which is originally from seaweed. I'm using 10 grams of it. Now I'm mixing down fine with the sugar and leave them there. I'm preparing 1.5 liters of water. I have 2 fresh coconuts to get water from. If you don't have the fresh ones, you can get the one from the cartons or boxes. Otherwise, you can just use the normal water. I'm also adding more water to get the amount that I need. And now I'm starting to cut the fruits. Here I have 1 watermelon which weighs 2 kilograms. I'm cutting it into halves and remove all of the watermelon out of the skin. I won't need all of them, but only about 150 grams. Don't forget to remove the water as well. Now I'm starting to cut them into small pieces. Make sure you remove the seeds as well. The second fruit is grapes. This kind is a little bit sour, which I really like. I'm using about 15 of them. Now I cut them into quarters and also removing the seeds as well. Now we move to the mango. I will just need a half of this mango. After removing the skin, I'm also cutting it into cubes like the way I did with the watermelon. Here I have 2 kinds of dragon fruit. I'm cutting the pink one. In Mekong Delta of Vietnam, some people do use them to make wine. And normally, they're sweeter than the white ones. I'm also cutting them into small pieces. last one is the white dragon fruit. I also need half of the dragon fruit only. Here I'm done with cutting. Now it's time to mix the water with the powder and the sugar. Make sure you mix them well together before boiling. While boiling, keep mixing them as well, otherwise the bottom might be burnt. Now I'm adding the fruits into the watermelon skin. Just refill about 70% of them. After the mixture boils, we turn off the heat and leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes until it cools off a bit before pouring into the watermelon. Here it's ready. With this amount, I can refill 2 these halves of the watermelon and 1 big bowl like you see now. Here they are. While pouring the mixture, you can also mix them fine together as well. Now I'll keep them in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to cool them off, and the jelly will become firmer. Time to serve. It's really firm now. See? Now I'm cutting it into slices. You can totally replace all of these fruits with the ones you like. Maybe you would like to use kiwis or strawberries or other berries as well. These are just my favorite ones. In this hot weather, just bite 1 piece in your mouth and you would say, "Oh wow, so refreshing." Thank you for watching my video again today. Hope you enjoyed it. And maybe this will become your next dessert at home. See you next time.